All right, good morning, y'all. I'm walking to the stand now. Got about a half-mile walk or so. Rifle in hand, see if we can't get it done right here at the end of the season. All right, so to keep y'all informed as to what's going on, I just ran into a skunk. Thankfully, he didn't spray me. I got coyotes behind me, coyotes in front of me, and they were going after something. And then I took a plunge in the creek, and it's cold this morning. So this is gonna be an interesting sit. It better be worth it. There we go. Unbelievable. I was literally packing up my stuff to leave and heard something behind me, and this doe come running up. Unbelievable, man. That is my first kill ever on camera. I worked so hard for this. Man. Good grief. Man, I've worked so hard for that. That kill right there is more special to me than most of the deer I've killed. I've been trying so hard to kill a deer on camera, and I finally got it done, man. So many trials and errors, a lot of errors this year. Oh, I'm shaking, bro. Oh, thank you, Jesus. I was just sitting here praying, thanking the Lord for giving me another season to hunt. I stood up, was about to grab my backpack and my rifle. Sorry about that. I was shaking too much. I'm just so excited. Anyway, it looked like a dog or something, possibly coyote. Could have been chasing it because I saw something off in the distance. In the video, you can see the doe sitting here just stomping. I had my camera away and everything. I was able to get my camera out. I had to hold it and hold my rifle at the same time, so footage isn't the best, but I still got a kill on camera, which again, man, it's a whole nother world trying to film and kill a deer. Thank you, Jesus. So I want to get down from here and see if I can't find some blood and where I saw where she went in the woods. So see if we can't track her. All right, guys, so we're down. We'll come over here where she crossed in front of me, see if we can't pick up the blood trail. I'm 99% sure she's gonna be within 50 yards of us. I heard her crash, so see if we can't get on this blood trail. All right, here we go. Got the blood trail. There's plenty of blood. I smoked her right behind the shoulder. So as she was running back off through here, I saw blood spraying everywhere. So. So you can see where she come down through here. It's just where she started crashing. She hit right here and just slid. Look at that arterial spray right there. There she is, folks. Look at that. Good mature doe. Unbelievable, man. Check, make sure. I know she is, but just make sure it's be on the safe side. Oh yeah. Oh, put that rifle down. Heck yeah, man. Look at that. Perfect shot right behind that shoulder. And like I said, she didn't go 50 yards. Beautiful doe. Good deal. Blood, I'd love to see it, man. I worked so hard this season to get a deer down. I've been so close so many times. A couple big bucks. Haven't been able to close the deal. Just mishaps with hunting and trying to film. And this is best way to close the season out. Like I said, I've worked so freaking hard to get a deer on camera for so long now. And it's just been error after error. And man, it finally all came down to this, bro. Thank you, Jesus. Man, I love the sport. Love it to death. Now the real work begins. Get her out of here, field dress her, and get her the processor. But thank y'all so much for sticking with me on this journey. I know it's been haven't posted much this deer season. Just bad luck, man. All right, let's get her out of here. Got it. Oh yeah, like a truck bed. That's what I like. All right, y'all. Well, that's a wrap of the 2024 deer season. Finally able to get it done this morning. Last day. Just dropped the deer off at the processor. It'll be about a week before we can get it back. But I appreciate y'all hanging in there with me. I know it's kind of been a rough season. I've had so many lows, and this is definitely a good way to end the season on a good note, on a high. So appreciate it. Can't wait for next year. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch y'all on the next one.